Morning, happy Monday. Hope you had a good weekend. Here we are for Advent Day 9. We all survived, well, at least God willing, I hope we all did. I thought Bert was bad enough, but hellfire, Dara brought it home the weekend, didn't he? So we've been blown here on a Monday morning, and I brought something extra special for you on the Advent offers. It's our Vermont purses, and right out the back I'm going to tell you that they're brought down three colorways, brought down to an exceptional price. We've got them for the large at £35, and for the small Vermonts we're doing them at £29 for Advent. Just these three colours, but I think there are three super options. So if you're looking for a special gift, an extra special something for somebody, I think that this might well be a good option. Obviously all made in Somerset, all premium materials, handcrafted in our own factory just downstairs. They come with the Owen Barry dust bag, so a perfect present. The three colours. We've got the old gold with the Copper Acido. We've got the Cappa Cowhide on the Biscotti, and then this is a little bit different. On the large, it's the Summer Reptile on the Malibu, and for the small, it's the Summer Reptile on the Lilac. They've got all of the features you would normally expect. I will open it up and show you. I don't know if I can come round because I got a pile of coats behind me, but I'm coming here in the hope that you can see me, and he's giving me the thumbs up. So loads of card splots, and places for your passport, your documentation, anything you want can be slipped in there. Obviously cash, and your coinage can go just here in the zipper pocket. So loads of room, loads of capacity. That's the large. The small, not as many pockets, not as many dividers. You've got card slots there and there. You've obviously got the zipper still for your coinage, and this one will actually hold a passport as well. And then the Kappa obviously following the same profile. All the Owen Barry insignia, I told you the price, didn't I? £35 for the large, £29 for the small, lifetime guarantee, dust bag. I think that that's a pretty good deal for somebody that you wanted to give something special to for Christmas. We're back tomorrow. What have we got tomorrow? Hang on, I gotta check my notes. Oh yeah, I remember what we got tomorrow. Tune in tomorrow for my hopefully I'll be doing a bit of juggling, but we'll see how I go on. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a super day, folks.